Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I have a project share. This is a Trash to Treasures swap that I'm doing that is on the Trash to Treasures Facebook group, and it is a simple little upcycling project. I made two little things to swap with my partner. First off, I used this vitamin bottle here and I washed it out completely and everything. I painted the lid with some purple chalk paint, and then I covered it with some paper, added a flower and a rhinestone at the top. I tied some ribbon there. I then glued some paper. This paper is the Iris Lane Hot Buy paper pad from Michaels. Really pretty. It's like a mint green and purple lavender, that colorway. So I made a 2-inch band and then another smaller band of the floral, and then where the seam came together I cut some scalloped circles from the paper and then added this paper flower I had in my stash in the rhinestone. So that's a pretty simple little covering. I added the rickrack there that I had in my stash. I wanted the bottle to be able, I wanted to be able to see through the bottle because I took some of the bigger popsicle sticks, painted them the purple, and then I picked out some trims and laces and ribbons that I had in my stash that coordinated with the paper, and wrapped it around each one of the popsicle sticks and stuck them down inside there. So that was the perfect size. And I love the way this turns out. I think this would make a great gift for a crafter. And then this is an altered ribbon spool, an empty ribbon spool. So I just took off one of the tops and then I sanded this here and painted it the same chalk paint that I used over there. I also painted the inside portion, and then I covered it. Whoops, all my stuff's falling out. I covered it with a strip of the paper there. I also cut a scallop piece to go on the bottom. And then, sorry about my nails, I'm getting them done today. And then I just filled it with a bunch of little embellishments that I had that went with it to give to her. And I covered the bottom of this, you can't see it, but I covered it with this, was it the floral? No, it's this octagon golden mint green there. And then I layered up like 8 pieces of a 2.5-inch circle there of purple cardstock, and then this piece here was just from the collection, so that made it like keep the lid on so it wouldn't move around. And then I used some seam binding there that covered the seam of this paper, and I glued it to underneath these papers here so it keeps the lid on. And then on the top here I layered a couple of the scallop circles and then added this flower here with some rhinestones and this little wire embellishment I had in my stash. It says friend. So that is an easy way to reuse a ribbon spool. I've also seen where you can make it into a little photo album where you attach ribbon to several pieces of round cardstock or paper in here and pull it out, and you kind of fan fold it down inside, but the lid is attached to the ribbon, so you just pull the lid off and it unfolds this little mini album. So I think that's a really cute way to alter that too. But I just wanted to make something pretty quick and fill it with some embellishments for her. So that is what I'm going to be shipping out to my partner today. So I hope you like this. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Leave me a comment and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.